Hey everyone, navigating the 2024 rental market? We've got you covered with 5 quick tips for your midterm rental lease. Tip 1. Consider tenant maintenance responsibilities. A small clause can save you big headaches and keep your property in top shape. Tip 2. Next, leverage online platforms like Airbnb, Furnish Finder, and Zillow. Maximizing visibility is key to finding the right tenants. Tip 3. Don't forget the right to inspect. This ensures your property remains in excellent condition and builds trust with your tenants. Tip 4. Legal protections are crucial. From dispute resolutions to attorney fees, having a clear contract protects both you and your tenants. Lastly, a fair security deposit protects your property and encourages care. Transparency with tenants about the deposit is essential. Found these tips helpful? Subscribe to our channel for more insights, and don't hesitate to share your own experiences below.